to cook in a new way, not necessarily for you, but in a new way for a lot of chefs in America.
100%.
Yeah, with Induction, zero hood.
Yep.
Let's just talk about that.
Well, we went in and it was, you know, the thought process, and you look at the spaces, it's like, okay, I can get and it was gonna be a 5-foot hood. So I can get a 5-foot hood.
Yeah.
Let's get the hood company in, let's look at this. And the guy's like, well, basically I'm gonna have to go 7 stories up. And I don't know how many walls that I'm gonna have to go through. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be way over $150,000. And I looked at it, I was like, don't think I'm getting a hood. What can I get? And obviously I was familiar with Induction. So we went from literally looking at a hood that was $150,000 to the day we opened up Ardent, we spent $63,000 to open up the whole restaurant.
The whole thing.
Right.
Chairs,
so
floor,
literally
windows,
40-some% from base off of what just the hood would have cost me by going the Induction route.